Knight f6 attacks white's pawn at e4. e5 moves it to safety and attacks black's knight at f6. Knight d5 moves it to safety. Bishop g4 pins white's knight at f3. Bishop e2 frees white's knight at f3 from the pin and clears the way for a kingside castle. Knight takes e5 attacks black's bishop at g4 with 2 pieces. Bishop takes e2 attacks white's queen and hinders the opponent's short castle. Queen takes e2 clears the way for a kingside castle. White wins a bishop and a pawn for a bishop and a pawn. Material is even. Knight b6 attacks white's pawn at d4. Castle kingside. Queen takes d4 leads to rook d1, queen h4, bishop g5, queen takes g5, rook d8, check, king takes d8, knight takes f7, check, king c8, knight takes g5, knight 8 d7, knight c3, c6, knight f7, rook g8, rook d1, which wins a rook, a bishop, and a pawn for a queen and a pawn. Better is g6, leading to knight c3, bishop g7, queen f3, f6, knight d3, knight c6, bishop f4, castle kingside d5, which results in no captures. This was black's only meaningful error. Even though the game was within reach here, black eventually resigned. Rook d1 attacks black's queen. Queen h4 moves it to safety. Bishop g5 attacks black's queen. Queen takes g5. Black wins a bishop. Black is ahead by a bishop and a pawn in material. Rook d8 check. Checks black's king. Black resigns.